How's your year been?
It's been good. Yeah. I really liked the 1983. I took a look at that this morning.
We've had a long list of books, almost 80 books submitted for the prize, and when we were reading those books, we were looking for several features. We wanted to have quality. We wanted to have books which would be credible in terms of delivering content which is actually fact-checked, which is well-researched and done in a serious way. We also wanted accessibility. We wanted those books to be read not by academics, or not just by academics, but by a broader audience. We also wanted to make sure that those books will remain read not just this year or next year, but say 10 years down the road or 20 years down the road.
I was happy to see that the books about Russia currently are not limited to the very narrow field of political investigations, of studying the current Russian leadership and all things like this, but cover enormous wealth of material about the social fabric of Russian society, about history of Russia, and not only the 20th history, about culture and the greatest cultural figures, include non-fiction, include very important translations from Russian, and not only from Russian. I think without being a member of the jury, I'd never make myself to go through such a wide and diverse variety of literature.
There's a couple other ones that I enjoyed that I'm less committed to, perhaps.
I think it brings a lot of books to light that otherwise may not get noticed because they don't fit sort of conventional or already established prize contests. And so I certainly found like I discovered a lot of books that I wouldn't have noticed otherwise. And I think the Pushkin House in general, but also the prize brings those kinds of works to our attention and to the public's attention and really celebrates the diversity of work that's being done and attention and scholarship that's being brought to the post-Soviet space.
Well, your decision, what would you decide?
I would be very pleased to be a part of the mutual decision to present the full-scale, sort of a colorful picture of Russian history, of Russian politics, of Russian traditions. And in the selection of the shortlist, I think we basically solved this problem from different angles, well, on different levels, of research.
I'm also looking forward to seeing the authors of the book, to having them speaking about their work, participating in it, and of course the crown of the whole procedure, selecting a winner, which also a challenging, exciting and interesting perspective. In a way, it's of course much easier to agree on 6 books than on 1. And that will be a much more challenging part, but also an exciting one.